Date today na 15 March 2025. At the small harvest in the harvest and for Pondo control under Mountain Lion under Sagat. We thank our population how they don't respect we want to tell the population say as we don't take and so now so we go to take them. We go to take them 1-1. All for one. All for one.
Forward! Forward! Oh! 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 Forward! Oh! Oh! Hi! The Dodi people. Now life is the measure that I got. We already control that. No man. We not get no man with fear. She shake no day. Forward! Oh! 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 Forward! 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 Oh! Oh!
Hello fans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Biafrans, these are Ambazonia guys. They are doing it to Cameroonian forces. No be small thing. You can see these guys. They not send anybody. In fact, according to story where we dey here, they don't mean past Biafra Liberation Army. They don't mean past Biafra Defense Force because to them they don't have any division. They only have one goal, only one chapter, only one guy who is being held in Norway, Ashuba. So Ashuba is the bigger guy that is controlling them. There is no faction among them, so that made them to be very focused on what they are doing. These guys are giving it watoto to Cameroonian forces.
They are all criminals. We are going to show you the woman's body where they kill. Once you come around and kill you and throw them, this is where they bury people. These two bones. When we talk about scores, this is Unafria. Efule ando ndara sana ana shozule. Here boku mado efria mado. This is this many more than 1,000 people have been killed in this produce. More than 1,000. This is different type of efria and afa oku mado. Here boku mado, here boku no. This is very well. Here boku mado. Do you see it? And some idiots and fools will be in social media clapping for these criminals. Eh? Some criminals, some fools, some propagandas. They will be in social media clapping for these criminals. Do you see women's cause? Leye, here is the mother. If here mother will see let's go here. Do you see it?
Looking at this video, you can see also Ihitokwa security vigilante. They say that they have chased away all the Biafra Liberation Army. According to them, they say that Biafra Liberation Army are the ones that are committing atrocities in their land. But I can tell you they are lying. They are not saying it truth. They are not saying it real here. Because the real agitators of these Biafrans doesn't commit any atrocities. They don't commit any crime. They don't kidnap. They don't harvest organs. Neither do they rape people. It is only the bad ones who are using the name of Biafra to camouflage. They are the ones that are doing all this evil and doing these bad things in our land, Biafra. So you can see here, they are displaying Eba Nebu Mado, when you see Obuku Mado. So Hana Kawana on the Biafra Liberation Army be here. Mana nezoku anyị na-ekwu n'ụbọchị asị na ọbụrụ ha kama na enwere ndị ọjọọ ndị nọ n'ọhịa ndị na-eme kidnapping ndị na-ejide mmadụ ndị na-egbu mmadụ ndị na-eme all kinds of atrocities using the name of Biafra as a cover up. They are the ones that are giving bad names to the real ones. God will keep exposing them one after the other.
Hana, my brother. They are criminals. When I find Asabu ESL, have a trailer model, broom wire, ram wire, wire, and I show Anna criminals. because Soludo, the king of solution, the father of all solution, because we really need your help. These criminals have located from Imo State to Inyara, Isieke.
Jesus.
Guy. I talk about guy. Magan quality today. Guy. Udogachi. Ana parking. Okay, Mama Hana guy. Ani me parking. How many cars? Guy. Chineke.
So guys, today in Anambra State, the Udogachi security personnel from Soludo spied one young lady like that on her own. She then inside her home, they breastfeed her child. Udogachi con the shoot gun anyhow. They use that gun to buy that lady. No be small thing, guys. When you watch this thing, you definitely feel sorry for the people of Anambra State, because most times all these security personnel, they are not doing what they are supposed to do.
Okay. Hi. You ever if blood goes to about you get one in on our aqua, but we say about the two and no. Never should have aqua. Okay. Iliwe Soludo na akọ ọsọ na mgbakọ nọ n'ọsọ. Onye ọbụla nọ n'ọsọ agbagburu mmadụ ebe a. Ọsọ Soludo ka a na-agba. Ajụrụ gbagbuo mmadụ, onye n'ọlụ onwe ya je gbaa anya egbe. Ele ndị mmadụ na-agbacha ọsọ. Nkọbra Ford. Ọsọ ka a na-agbacha ọsọ Soludo. Nọtakịrị n'ụlọ onwe ya je gbagbuo ya na nkịtị na-abụ. Soludo ichekakwa. Soludo na-agbagbuzirikwa ndị mmadụ. Ele na mgbakwụnụ n'ọsọ. Operation Udogachi gbagburu mmadụ na mgbapụ this morning. Operation Udogachi. Soludo, you have to do something. This is no longer the work they send them. Operation Udogachi gbagburu one lady n'ụlọ onwe ya. And how about harassing God? Soludo, do something. Yeah, maybe boy. About school, yeah, case in India, have ya mirror. Yeah, I've broken all Udogachi. Cabs one at Anambra. Amba who gone and many Utoto Anoa.
So guys, you can see here, the security personnel are begging the government to give them sophisticated weapons that they will use to fight the Fulani people, because Fulani people are using AK-49 and AK-47, but they are only using machetes to pursue them.
I know do to no wine I got married some wine because half of 90 some wine when I just say we hang when so anyone very fear, strong fear. Because we have that for you template, you were prepared. When they can buy her ways away. So that is the main issue. Seems like I ain't a Google, but not all the two. I and I had a that far distance because the last time I noticed that now half like I got Dodge, I better hand it. Just that it's God that saved us. So I am amazing. I went and cry for help for government. If there is any miss, even if it's soldiers, those people that are more bigger and more strength than us, that can come with better something. How we keep on with the team. Because I want never as I got the team. Okay.
I will go here. Any of your members are since
security. You are writing a natural soldier.
Always.
No, I'm not
Soldier, I'll stop here. I'm across that bridge.
Like the issue of the soldier. Only one time I got so that time I got so we saw them. They came out with their AK-47 and other things. So they were in order like showcasing themselves that they are not hiding. So when we try to go further, the soldiers say, "No, could they go back?" Have you seen now? So it seems like our going to the bush is not because I expected that if you enter there, we will do something that will bring better results. Thank you.
But you need your soldier.
Yes,
better soldiers.
We come and help us. We need them.
And the last thing, your government, because government nyere anyị aka ka ndị be anyị bicha n'ọkpọkwụ ogbete ngelagi ogomugo mgbede Obokopia, another place ka ha laghachas to their base. No place they say like no place like home. Now by no a small hut can with that place, but no place like home. Eba ka ha may enjoy life. Their children are no longer going to school because they want to say Abraham have touched now different places. I think I'm going to many people live here out of fear. Allow camp in your
IDP camp in your community.
And where any organized ID camp. My name is ID camp, like you do move another community. I made.
These are homo guys we have in our land. What is happening? Why is these guys even into all this homosexual of a thing? Now, wow, what is the role of our parents again? Why is our parents not doing what they're supposed to do? Looking at these young guys, I don't think any of them is up to 30 years or even 35 years old. But look at the nonsense they are committing, all in the name of to make money or all in the name of becoming famous. Wow, it's too bad. Thank you, fans. Thank you, everyone, for watching this video. Remember to subscribe. It was Magnetic Dix TV, for we remain the best. Bye.
Wentiruenu, gene? Chiemeria. Kiye jijidegi. Ebe na ala nwoke ibe gị. Onye ebe ke o. Onye n'Imo. Ke village gị na n'Imo. Ụmụeze. N'Imo onwe ụmụeze. Nna kedu afa gị? Udochukwu. Onye ebe ke o. Kiye jijidegi. Ebe na ala nwoke ibe gị. Okay, I'm there now. Wait. Nah, onye ebe ke o.
Enugu State.
Who part of Enugu State?
Eziago.
One name ka afa gị? Lecha ugi chai deri. Get afa gị?
Jewel.
Gịnị? Jewel. Onye ebe ke o. Onye Ebonyi State. Ka esa de ebe o. Kebe jijide gị? Ebe na ala nwoke ibe gị? Ebe na ala nwoke ibe gị? Nna ya ebe ke o. Onye Ufuma. Ka ihe jijide gị? Ebe na ala nwoke ibe gị? Ufuma side ebe? Olumba North. Wenti iru gị? Ka afa gị? Na-ene m anya. Prosper. Onye ebe ke o.
Onye Anambra. Which part of Anambra? Okija. Which part of Okija? Umunaka. Kebe jijide gi. Ye jijide gi. Ina ala nwoke ibe gi. Ọ dị mma. Nna keda bai. Uche onye? From ebe? Enugu State. Who part of Enugu? Udi. Kebe jijide gi? Ebe na ala nwoke ibe gi. Ọ dị mma. Nna ka aba gi? Chidindu. Chidindu onye? Onye ebe ke wo? Abia. Which part of Abia State? Ngwa. Kebe jijide gi ebe ata? Ebe na ala nwoke ibe gi? Ọ dị mma? Ọ dịrọ mma? Nna gị aba gị? Kwụsị okwu ike? Ife onye ebe ke wo? Okija. Which part of Okija? Ubo. Okay, kebe jide gị taa? Ọ dị mma? Kedu aba gị? Chinonso onye? Kwụsị okwu ike? Onye Ebuchi. Kebe jide gị taa? Ị na-ala nwoke ibe gị? Ọ dị mma? Nna gị aba gị? Wee ntị iru elu? Aba gị ogene? Promise onye? Onye ebe ke wo? Enugu State. Part of Enugu? Nkano. Kebe jide gị taa? Ị na-ala nwoke ibe? Kwụsị okwu ike? Ị na-ala nwoke ibe? Ọ dị mma? Nna gị? Kedu aba gị? Chinecherem. Chinecherem onye? Chinecherem onye? Nnaji. From where? KBC? Anambra nke anyị. Ka esa da Anambra. Agụrụ nke a. Bepụta Obi. Ka ebe jide gị taa? A na-ala gị ala ka ọ gị na-ala? Ka evileji gị na-agụ? Nkịta akị. Ị na-ala nwoke ibe gị? Ọ dị mma? Nna amụrụ? What is their name? Benjamin. From where?
I'm a Perseverian.
Benjamin from where?
Perseverian.
Is it Nigeria?
That's Cross River State.
Cross River State. Okay. What happened today?
We were held down because of an activity of gays.
What the reason that we hold you here?
Because of gays.
You are fucking a fellow man.
Say it louder.
Yes, say it louder. Say it louder.
Yes, sir.
You are doing what?
I'm having sex with my fellow man.
Okay. Thank you. Kedabai?
Nwachukwu Emmanuel.
Kwụsị ike?
Nwachukwu Emmanuel.
Nwachukwu Emmanuel from ebe?
Delta.
Delta. Say, what part of Delta?
Agoloma.
Agoloma. Ka eji dege ebe ata?
Nara nwoke ibe.
Ị na-ala nwoke ibe gị? Ugomma. Kedabai? Kosi onye? Chidarụ. Onye ebe?
Anambra.
Which part of Anambra?
Azia.
Ka ebe eji dege taa?